Hello, this is Robert Deal with the National Weather Service in Lake Charles. This online weather briefing will discuss the potential impacts of the expected winter weather event on Tuesday. Here are the current surface conditions. A clipper is moving across the Great Lakes, and the associated cold front will move swiftly across the area today. This will bring very cold air, and combined with the disturbance over the Gulf, will bring our second round of possible wintry precipitation over southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana. A winter storm watch is currently in effect for the entire forecast region. The Arctic cold front will bring a chance of snowfall of up to 2 to 3 inches north of the I-10 corridor, and south of the I-10 corridor will bring a chance of ice accumulation between 1/10 of an inch to as much as 3/10 of an inch. These snowfall and ice accumulations will mean a winter storm warning will be issued for the area likely later this afternoon. Any ice accumulations will create significant problems for travel. Let's take a look at what type of wintry mix will fall. Tuesday early morning we'll see mainly sleet with light snow before noon for the northern part of the area. South of that, we'll likely see mainly freezing rain before noon. In the afternoon, over the northern portion of the forecast region, the sleet and snow will transition into mainly snowfall. In the southern portion of the area, the freezing rain will transition to sleet mixed with freezing rain. In the evening on Tuesday, we expect the wintry precip to begin moving out of the area. The precipitation that will be falling will transition from a sleet to mainly snow event across the region. There will be a decreasing chance for snow to fall through the evening and into Wednesday morning. If any snow does fall as the dominant weather type near the Gulf Coast, it will be late Tuesday and into early morning across Acadiana. There will be a hard freeze for Wednesday early morning, as temperatures will be in the mid-teens across the area. Now let's take a look at how much snow and sleet will fall. North of the I-10 corridor is where we expect the best chance for snow and sleet accumulation. We expect between 2 to 3 inches of snowfall accumulation across the area as possible. South of the I-10 corridor, we expect mainly a freezing rain event, so we expect less than an inch of total snowfall across the area. Now let's take a look at the freezing rain accumulations across the area. North of the I-10 corridor, we'll see less total ice accumulation, but even 1/10 of an inch is very dangerous. South of the I-10 corridor, we expect total ice accumulation between 1/10 of an inch to as much as 3/10 of an inch. Bridges will likely ice over and will drastically impact travel conditions, and heavy icing on power lines could lead to power outages across the area. Wintry precip will cause significant travel issues for both driving and walking. Ice accumulation will freeze and cause very slick surfaces. Slick surfaces mean a loss of traction and control of vehicles. Walking on ice is extremely dangerous without traction. Avoid ice and travel if at all possible. Stay indoors. If you must go outside, wear several layers of loose-fitting clothing rather than one layer of heavy clothing. Wear a hat. Most heat is lost through the head, so wearing a hat will prevent loss of body heat. Watch for signs of frostbite and hypothermia. These include uncontrollable shivering, memory loss, loss of feeling in the extremities, apparent exhaustion. If symptoms do occur, seek warmth immediately. Try drinking warmed non-alcoholic beverages. Make sure there is no wet clothing. Use warm, dry blankets with several layers of loose-fitting clothes to help warm up. Additionally, with the hard freeze expected, here are some winter safety tips around the house. For water, drip your faucets. Stagnant water freezes faster than running water. Insulate pipes. Exposed pipes are prone to freezing and bursting. For heating safety, if you are using space heaters, maintain at least 3 feet from drapes and blinds. Turn space heaters off when you go to sleep. Do not put a space heater on furniture. Do not leave any open flames unattended. And do not use the stove or oven to heat your home. For animal safety, provide shelter for outdoor pets and livestock. Try if possible to bring pets indoors. For plants, bring cold-sensitive potted plants indoors and then wrap or cover outdoor plants that could freeze. For additional weather information, please visit our website, weather.gov/Lake Charles. If you have questions or comments about the information presented here, please post them on our Facebook or Twitter sites, and we'll be glad to answer them.